Hello and welcome to the meditation on your inner critic. In this meditation, we're going to observe your inner critic and get to know it a little bit, and then we're going to transform it into something very positive. So get yourself comfortable and situated with your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath, and we'll begin to relax. I know that sometimes it can be difficult to relax or to learn how to relax more than you ever have before. And so as you lie or as you sit there with your eyes closed, breathing easily as you begin to become aware of your own thoughts and of your own sensations. And I begin to wonder if you have ever had the pleasure of sitting on the bank of a river or the shore of a lake or an ocean. Because there is something very comforting about just sitting there, listening to the peaceful sound of waves washing on the shore as they move in and as they move out in a continuous flow that just seems to go on and on and on. Relaxing in the sun, feeling the soothing warmth and just letting the mind drift effortlessly with that almost quiet and silent sound in the background of awareness. I'm not sure you've ever done it that way, relaxed in just that way, listening to the peaceful quietness of water washing on the shore. Or perhaps it was a waterfall, or just a silent place in the center of the woods. A happy memory of deep contentment. Or maybe it was just a dream of a place so comfortable, of a place so safe that it was easy to allow the body to relax. Everything to relax into a state of calm, peace, and effortless awareness, where you become calm, content, and very deeply relaxed. Very deeply relaxed very deeply relaxed. What I would like you to do now is to imagine yourself above some beautiful place, a healing place, a sanctuary place. And as I count backwards from 5, using the words down and deeper, I'd like you to drift down to this place and into a very deep and peaceful state of calm and peaceful relaxation. Number 5, feel yourself going down, drifting deeper and deeper. 4, drifting down, drifting deeper and deeper. 3, drifting down, deeper and deeper. 2, drifting down, deeper and deeper. And 1, drifting down, deeper and deeper and deeper. If you are now in your sanctuary place, I just ask that you imagine yourself being there as if you were actually there. And with every detail that you notice, I'd like it to take you into a deeper and deeper place of calm and peaceful relaxation. So you become calm, peaceful, and deeply relaxed. Calm, peaceful, and deeply relaxed. Calm, peaceful, relaxed. Calm, peaceful, relaxed. As you continue to breathe and to unwind and to relax, I'd like you to call up your inner critic in whatever way it comes to you. Maybe a person, or you may be aware of your voice inside of your head, or you may be aware of someone else's voice inside your head. But however it comes to you, I'd like you to just pay attention to it, to observe it, and to be aware of it. Because when you become aware of your inner critic, you then realize that you don't need to listen to it. And that puts you into a position of power and control. So take just a few moments in silence and just observe your inner critic. Now, as you continue to breathe and to relax, now that you're aware of your inner critic, I'd like you to begin a conversation with it. And at first, I want you to just listen to what it has to say. And then when your inner critic is finished speaking, I want it to listen to what you have to say and to what you need from your inner critic. And then after the two of you have discussed with each other, I want you to make an agreement to do whatever it takes to create and maintain inner peace. So just take a few moments and have that discussion now with your inner critic. Now, as you continue to breathe and to relax, and now that you've come to an agreement and to an understanding or a place of peace and understanding with your inner critic, I'd like you to allow it to transform into something incredibly positive. It may turn into a very wonderful and positive person. It could transform into this incredible spiritual being. It could explode into color, or whatever your imagination comes up with. Just allow your inner critic to transform into something positive now. And when your inner critic has completely transformed, I would like you to allow it to do one of two things. One, it can either release and dissolve and to float away into the ether, or if it's appropriate, you can have it dissolve into your heart and into your mind so that you can become one with your transformed inner critic. So take a moment or two and just to allow one of those two things to happen. And just take a moment to reflect and to be at peace with the transformation that has happened inside of you. To be aware of it and to recognize that it goes with you from this day forward. To improve every aspect of your life. So just take it in deeply. for as long as you can. And when you feel like you're ready, and when you feel like you've had enough, you can slowly open your eyes and drift back in to the conscious world.